Hello, pregnant ladies, and I'm sure a few perverted gentlemen, and welcome to How to Be Sexy While Pregnant. My name is Sabrina Fox. I'm your instructor. I'm 8 months pregnant, and I am a sexy beast. Oh, ooh, did that make some of you uncomfortable? I'm sure a lot of you are nodding your heads yes, and I'm not gonna lie, that made me a bit uncomfortable too. The difference is it made me physically uncomfortable, whereas it made you emotionally uncomfortable because you're scared of a pregnant woman who finds herself so sexy. See, you all make the mistake of defining sexiness by your outward appearance rather than what's on the inside. On the outside, I may look like a bloated kangaroo, but on the inside, I feel like a sleek, powerful cheetah. What's your inner animal? What animal makes you feel sexy? Find it, because my inner cheetah makes everything I do sexy. Even something as ordinary as brushing my teeth. Look at me, I've got bad breath. I've got very bad breath. So I'll brush my teeth. Yes, I'll brush them. Ooh, ooh, he, cheetah. So, pregnant ladies, here's your challenge. Channel your inner animal, then make a video of you transforming an ordinary activity into something extremely sexy and post it below. I'll see you next week. And remember, pregnant ladies, you're sexy! Meow!